What's up, traders? Welcome back to my weekly index market review. Big week again. We had retail sales on Tuesday, the Fed on Wednesday, and jobless claims on Thursday. So let's break it down. Monday, we had no news, and by the time the equities market opened, price was already well on its way. On Tuesday, retail sales came in strong at 0.6%, way above the 0.2% the market expected. So the US consumer is still spending, with online shopping and restaurants leading the gains. And that kind of strength is a mixed bag. It shows growth is still holding up, but it also means inflation could stay sticky, which keeps the Fed cautious heading into Wednesday's meeting. And during the morning session, we had a small movement down before consolidating prior to the meeting. And with that, on Wednesday, the Fed cut rates by 25 basis points. So growth is slowing and the job market is softening, but they're not jumping into big cutting cycles yet. Basically, the Fed is easing a bit, but keeping things cautious and data dependent at this point. And in terms of price action, well, during a silver bullet, we had a great move down. We had a bearish divergence, and this is the 9 o'clock candle. With the help of FOMC, we took sell side liquidity and gave the PM session an opportunity to buy at a deep discount level as we were sitting below Sunday's opening price. Thursday, jobless claims came in at 231,000, so a drop from the big spike we saw the week earlier, which lines up with the Fed's view that jobs are softening but not falling off the cliff. And Thursday gave us a good internal to external setup on the intermediate time frame. This is the hourly. However, the range was very small, and for me, I had no entry on the lower time frame. Friday, we didn't have any news, and this was the morning session. There weren't any good setups either on the intermediate time frame. So with that, that's it for this week's review. Honestly, price action was pretty messy and not the cleanest to trade, with a lot of small range sessions, but that's part of the game. We'll reset, see how next week's data lines up, and keep looking for those ICT setups when the market gives us cleaner conditions. So I'll catch you in the next one.